In this video, I'll be making pizza marinara and pizza prosciutto di cotto. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll share with you my top 5 ways to make sure your dough is ready for you. So let's make it then, shall we? Hi, I'm Alex from the Foodie Sub, and this is episode 3 of my traditional cuisines from around the world series, where today we'll be exploring something in Italian cuisine that everyone loves, pizzas. Today I'll be making 2 pizzas with 1 pizza dough recipe. So let's dive into it. First things first, get your flour in a large mixing bowl along with sugar and yeast and mix everything together. Thoroughly mix to create a well in the centre so you have space to add 200 ml of warm water. Mix until everything is incorporated. When the dough is ready, place onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 minutes. After kneading, place your dough in the mixing bowl and prove for 5 minutes. Whilst your dough is proving, set your oven to 220 and preheat your trays for 5 minutes on the top shelf of the oven. After 5 minutes, whilst your trays are still in the oven, take your dough out and cut in half. With half of my dough, now I'm going to start making my first pizza base. Now it's time to add your toppings. The final touches, add olive oil. Place on oven tray ready for your toppings. Now we're ready for the oven. After 15 minutes, take out, and here we are, 2 pizzas for the meat lovers and vegetarians out there. As I promised at the start of this video, here are 5 ways to tell if your pizza is ready before serving. Let's go. Method number 1 is the spring back test, where you press your finger on your pizza and if it springs back, then you're good to go. Method 2 is the stretch test, where you stretch your pizza ever so slightly, and if it stretches, it's an elastic dough, and that means you're ready. Method number 3 is the temperature, and if your pizza feels a bit cool to the touch, then throw in the oven for another 5 minutes, then you're golden. At method number 4, take a good look at your pizza and see if there are any air bubbles. If there are, then you're good to go. At method number 5, we have what I like to call a smell test, when you smell your pizza and if it smells fresh, then you're ready to serve. If you enjoyed this content, like and subscribe so these videos can come your way, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!